I go over to today's announcements. I said there are three steps that we want to explain about the migrants. The first thing relates to free food grain. Free food grain supply to all migrants for the next 2 months. How is this? You're aware, we had already announced that for the public distribution system based, card based people who get their regular quota of rice or wheat and in their residences, we had added free 5 kgs for them, either of rice or wheat, and also said 5 kgs per individual, but per card 1 kg of pulse was announced earlier. And that additional 5 per month kg of wheat or rice was being given free. That was made clear. Now what we are saying is that continues, that remains intact. But for those who are non-card holders, meaning they are neither under the National Food Security Act, nor are they holders of any state level cards, for them, they shall be given 5 kgs per person of wheat or rice, or 1 kg of chana, so that is for per family. And if the person is remaining without card, he can also get it. We are engaging with the state governments to make sure that they know where these migrants are, they can approach them and give them, because most of these migrants who have no cards are staying in those camps which are being run either by the government or by the NGOs, and therefore, based on a rough assessment which has been given to us by all the state governments, we think there are about 8 crore migrants for whom benefit will reach through this free food grain supply. The central government will take the cost and they will not be charged. 3,500 crores will be spent on this intervention within the next 2 months. So I know migrants are also moving out, either they're going back, very few are coming back. Irrespective, we are saying for the next 2 months, they shall get free rice or wheat and also 1 kg per card, per family. Without card also, you can get your rice, wheat or wheat or chana. So this will reach through the state governments. State governments will be implementing agencies. They will identify the migrants. They will take care of the full distribution and they will provide the details. The initial assessment is what I've told you. The numbers may change depending on how the state governments are going to. We made provision for this many. That's exactly what I want to convey.
प्रवासी मजदूर जो भारत और मैं कहूँगा राष्ट्र निर्माण में लगे हैं, उनके लिए राशन की सुविधा उपलब्ध करवाने के लिए ऐसे 8 करोड़ प्रवासी मजदूरों के लिए 3500 करोड़ रुपए का प्रावधान मोदी सरकार करवाने जा रही है। जो नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी एक्ट में नहीं आते या जिनको राज्यों का राशन कार्ड नहीं मिल पाता या उसकी बेनिफिशियरीज लिस्ट में नहीं है, वो भी इससे वंचित ना रह जाएं। ऐसे 8 करोड़ प्रवासी मजदूरों के लिए 3500 करोड़ रुपए का प्रावधान, यानी कि उनको 5-5 किलो गेहूं या चावल मिलेंगे और साथ में 1 किलो चना, प्रति फैमिली 1 किलो चना और प्रति व्यक्ति 5 किलो गेहूं और चावल भी अगले 2 महीनों तक मिलते रहेंगे। इसके लिए मोदी सरकार 3500 करोड़ रुपए का प्रावधान कर रही है।